In the video for today, I'm going to show you how to clear the cache and cookies of your Google Chrome browser very easily. Hello my friend, my name is Kenneth Brown. Welcome to channel CygnaTech, and how are we doing today? I hope fantastic. So I do understand you have a slow working Chrome browser, you are absolutely frustrated and all those things, but stick with me till the end. You're gonna go away with a smile on your face, I promise you that. Alright, so in order for you to clear off your cache and cookies off your Chrome browser, first of all you need to open the browser, right? Since I already have opened the browser, and let me click Ctrl H or get to the history page for my browser. So you could also do the same. Open the Google Chrome browser, just type in Ctrl H from your keyboard and get onto the history page. Now once you are here, you're going to see a menu to the top left. Okay, so you have an option to clear browsing data. You click on this option, you're going to be directed to this page on which you could see a pop-up out here. Now this is basically the pop-up which is going to help you clear off your history from the Chrome browser. Also, you could use this pop-up to clear off cache and cookies. I'm very much sure you know how to, clear off the browsing history of your Chrome browser, but cache and cookies, that could be missed at times. So do this, all right? So once you're here, you just need to ensure that these are checkboxed, okay? Cookies and other site data, cache, images, and files. Alright, so basically you select everything out here and click on clear data. So once you click on clear data, not only your browsing history is going to get clear off your browser, but also the cache and cookies are going to be clear. Alright, you just need to ensure that these are checkboxed out here while you perform the clear data function on this pop-up. Alright, so once you click on this option to clear data, it may just take a minute or two. Just have patience. Once it is done, Google Chrome would tell you that it is clear, or your history and cache and cookies or whatever is clear. After that, you're going to have a clean looking browser and your browser is going to work faster. I hope this video was helpful. Give it a thumbs up, post a nice little comment, and do not forget to subscribe and smash the bell notification icon. Take care, my friend.